Hello students, today we will discuss about the living things excrete, living things respire and about the species. There are several processes going on inside our body such as digestion, respiration, etc. During these processes, some waste products are produced. These are removed from our body in the form of urine, sweat and exhaled air. Similarly, plants also excrete water vapors and carbon dioxide from small pods that are known as stomata and stomata present in their leaves and stem. Besides, some harmful substances are also produced in plants as wastes. Some plants remove these waste products as secretions. Others are able to store waste products in such a way that they do not harm the plant. So this is all about the living things that they excrete. Now take a deep breath. The air you breathe in passes into your lungs. Here the oxygen in the air is absorbed and used by the body. Carbon dioxide is produced as waste. When you breathe out, this carbon dioxide is expelled from your body along with the unused air. So, this process is known as the respiration. Breathing in and breathing out is a part of respiration. The oxygen breathed in combines with the food that you digest and produces energy. And why do we need energy? We need energy to stay alive. We need energy to do work, to do any kind of work, physical work. And if you need energy to study, you need energy to work, you need energy to think, and even the blinking of your eyes and beating of your heart also uses energy. And you use energy when you read a book, when you think, and when you eat. So all for the whole day we need energy. Oxygen is the primary need of all organisms. Living organisms respire all the time. All land animals breathe in oxygen from the air. Animals like cows, dogs and birds breathe like us. The earthworm breathes through its skin. The cockroach breathes through several holes in its body. Fish breathe in the oxygen dissolved in water through their gills. And in plants, the process of exchange of gases takes place through the tiny stomata in their leaves. And plants take in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis during the day and give out oxygen. Respiration in plants takes place day and night. During the day, the amount of oxygen given out by them during photosynthesis is more than the amount of oxygen used up in respiration. So, during the day, plants supply oxygen to the air. We see various kinds of organisms around our cell, around our surroundings, and we know they all are not alike. A dog differs from a cat differs from a pig, and a pig differs from a goat. Similarly, all this all the various kinds of organisms, they all are different from each other. And each kind of organism has many individuals which are similar to each other. Like you can see here, there is variety of dogs, okay, and there are many further there are many breeds of cats we can see in the picture also. And we also know it that there are many kinds of dogs and cats that are found around us, and many kind of pigs and goats also. These individuals may differ slightly, but their form, habitat, and behavior are almost the same. Such a group of similar living organisms is known as a species. The members of a species have similar body parts. You can see the body of the pig is almost the same. They have the same body parts, and similarly with the goats, they have the same body parts. They differ only in their colors and in some other parts, but they have similar body parts and they live in the same habitat, eat the same kind of food, and reproduce among themselves. Like goats, they eat the plant only. They are herbivores. All the goat, they eat only plant. A horse will always produce horses, a goat will always produce goats, a pig always produce pigs, a dog always produce dogs. It cannot produce an elephant. A rose plant will always produce seeds from which only rose plants can grow. So, these are the form of species which we see around us. There are different types of species. The group of and a species is a group of similar living organisms that have similar body parts, live in the same habitat, eat the same kind of food, and reproduce among themselves. Thank you.